we're going to see other revenue streams that can make us money on YouTube. Other revenue. So one of the revenues, like we've talked about, is simply the ad revenue from YouTube. So ad revenue. All right, YouTube ad revenue. That's one. Another way we can make money is from membership and super chats, which we saw when we were checking it out. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Super chats. See them here. You see here. See them here, and shopping. Okay. It's another way to make money with YouTube. Another way we can make money is through affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, it's simple. You can recommend anything using affiliate marketing. Anything at all. Anything you want to recommend, you can recommend it using your channel. It's your channel. You can put anything you want to put on your description. You can put in your link. You are the owner of it. It's your community. It's your hard work. So you can refer anything. You can refer courses. You can refer products on Amazon. You can refer flight tickets. You can refer travel plans. You can refer diets. Whatever you know would pay you a commission, you can refer it. But be careful. Make sure what you're referring or recommending is slightly related to the content of the video. So if you're talking about baking and you are recommending a laptop on Amazon, it does not follow. It shows that you're just hustling. So make sure what you're recommending is slightly close, slightly related to what it is you want to you're talking about. So the platforms I recommend you go check out if you want to make money with affiliate marketing with your channel. One of them is Digital24, right? Digital24 is one of them. Another one is Clickbank. Digital24, this is it. You sign up and go to homepage, show you a bit what they're about. So you can come on here. They have different products. They have software. They have supplements. See here, affiliates. They have membership, community downloads, ebooks, events, and seminar. So whatever it is, you come on Digital24, get a product, take that product link, put it in the description, and then you're good to go. Anybody that goes to the description, click on that link and make a purchase. You will make some commission from it. If you want to learn more about this, just subscribe to the channel. Stay glued. After the completion of the tutorial, I'll be making videos on how I make money with affiliate marketing on my channel so that you can do the same too and make a whole lot of money using affiliate marketing. You can also use Clickbank. Clickbank is also another option for affiliate marketing. Very popular also. Come here, sign up with them, and then you can recommend anything. They also have supplements. They have mostly digital things. All right. So you could look for a way to include it on your description and then get paid. Please don't pack a whole lot of links on your description because you're trying to make sale. Affiliate marketing, you put about 20 links. No, don't do that. 2 or 3 links are okay. All right, don't just pack links like this. It's a bad practice. 2, 3 links are okay. The link should be related to what the content is about. That way, when somebody's clicking on it, they're getting value because there should be some sort of continuation from your content to the product or offer. All right, not from your content to another product that looks disjointed. Like the person will be asking, why am I here? Is this a mistake? That way you will not make any sale. So I hope we've gotten that for affiliate marketing. Then the last one I want to talk about on that last stream revenue is selling your own product or service. So if you're making content on baking and you know how to bake, why not sell a personal coaching, a personal course on baking? All right, you can sell a course on baking, or you can sell your baking services. Somebody needs to bake, you can sell your baking services, right? You can mention the location you are in or the location you cover, and then sell that service. When you do that, it's easy for you to make money, and you can sell your course or whatever, your consultation immediately from the very first subscriber you've gotten. Start selling something. Don't just sit back and say, oh, I don't have subscribers and suck and more. And no, don't do that. From the get-go, from the moment you start your business, start selling something. Sell something you have, a product or a service. It can be a friend's product, it can be drop shipping. You can sell someone else's product, right? Or sell your own product and services, which include courses. Please do not forget this. Very important. Now let's see how we can sustain our revenue, because there's one thing to make money. Another thing is to keep that money coming. Okay, if you don't keep that money coming, then there's a problem. And what is that problem? Is this. We'll see that in the next video.